Hello everyone, George here, and this is a wrap-up video for the entire series. Now, unfortunately, because I needed to get this delivered to my students on time, I had to do some of the work outside of the video series, and mainly that was fixing some UV problems. I had screwed up a couple materials, associated them with the wrong objects, and so forth. At the end of the day, after exporting everything out of Maya and into Unity, and then associating the Substance Painter textures with that material, or those materials, this is basically what we end up with in our room. Now, I didn't get everything 100% right. I did, for instance, forget all of the molding on one side of the wall. But you know what? Otherwise, this is at least I feel like it's a pretty good room. Now, there are some issues, and I had to turn off some of the light baking stuff due to the texture seams that I created inside of Maya. Now, if we go over to, let's see, what do we want? Window, rendering, lighting settings, and we come here and turn on real-time global illumination and baked global illumination, and let that actually bake out, we're going to end up with seams that pop up on a few places, like up here, for instance. See right there? It's very hard to see, but you can kind of get it from certain angles. And unfortunately, that's just due to the Unity algorithm for actually doing this. Here's a big example of it actually occurring right here, where we have the light here and a seam in the wall right next to that light that's causing a pretty bad problem between these two surfaces that you can see right here. I thought you might be interested in seeing, you know, what the final outcome of this video actually was and how it looks in the scene. And I have to say, for something that I pulled together in a weekend, I know these videos are released, you know, over a long period of time, so it seems like it's longer to you. But for me, I did this on a Saturday and a Sunday, and I think it looks pretty good. You know, the power of Substance Painter, Maya, and Unity together can make for a really good looking scene, so long as you know what the hell you're doing. Anyway, I'll see you next time. So long and goodbye.